In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Gravity Forms plugin with Lifter LMS. So forms are really interesting things and you can do a lot of things with them. If you want to use them on a Lifter LMS powered website, a form is a great way to customize the user registration or, for example, collect information on lessons. So let's look at an example, but before we do that, here's how you install the Gravity Forms Lifter LMS integration. First, you'll already need to have an active Gravity Forms license and be a member of that platform. Then you go to the Lifter LMS store and invest in the Lifter LMS Gravity Forms integration, either on its own or through the Universe bundle. So now that you are ready to go ahead and upload your Gravity Forms Lifter LMS integration. Activate the plugin. And so now we're active there. So now let's take a look at a scenario we want to do. I've got a user in the health and fitness course, and let's say that inside lesson 1, we want to, instead of marking complete, we want this student to write some information about what they got out of the video and also take a picture of themselves doing the exercise that they're supposed to do in the lesson. So how can we do that with Lifter LMS and Gravity Forms? Well, it's actually quite simple. First thing we're going to do is we're going to go to the back end of this lesson, and we simply want to add a form to this lesson, and Lifter LMS will detect that there is a Gravity form here. We've already created a form over here in the Gravity Forms form creation tool, which you'll see in just a second. But I'm just going to add that form, the lesson reaction and assignment, and I'm going to insert that form. So you can see that shortcode is right here. So now if we go back to our user here, who is on this lesson, and we refresh that, you can see that instead of the Mark Complete button, there is an area here where the student could type a bunch of information about what they got out of the lesson, and they are being asked to upload a photo of themselves doing the workout. So they could browse and then grab that photo. And then clicking the Submit button would mark that lesson as complete. I did not set these up to be required. You could do that in Lifter LMS so that this form could not be submitted, and therefore the user would be stuck here if they do not fill out the information and upload the document. And that's a quick tour of the Lifter LMS Gravity Forms integration.